Good morning class 5 students. Welcome to your English online class. Today we are going to start adjectives, degrees of comparison. In previous class we have done adjectives. Now we are doing degrees of comparison. So let's start. First of all, look at these sentences. Suresh is tall. Mohan is taller than Suresh. And Ramchand is the tallest of the three. In these sentences, the words tall, taller and tallest have been used as adjectives. All the three are different form of same adjectives: tall, taller and tallest. In sentence 1, we are not comparing Suresh with any other man. We are just saying that Suresh is tall. We are saying about the quality of Suresh. Okay, how is Suresh? Suresh is tall. In sentence 2, we are comparing two persons, Suresh and Mohan, and saying that Mohan is taller than Suresh. And in sentence 3, we are comparing more than two persons, three persons in fact, and saying that Ramchand is the tallest of the three. We use adjectives to compare persons or things. When we make these comparisons, the adjectives we use change in form. We have seen that some adjectives have three forms. We say that some adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. Tall, positive degree; taller, comparative degree; and tallest, superlative degree. So there are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So let's see where we use positive degree and where we use comparative or superlative. We use the positive degree of an adjective when we are not making any comparison. So this degree is used with one person only. Like Mr. Mehta is a rich man. Rich is adjective here, so it is a positive degree. Kanpur is a big city. So we have not compared Mr. Mehta with any other man or Kanpur with any other city. Now comparative degree. We use the comparative degree of an adjective when we are comparing two persons or things, or two group of persons or things. Like Mr. Jain is richer than Mr. Mehta. Comparison between two persons. Delhi is bigger than Kanpur. Comparison between two cities. So it is comparison. It is comparative degree. Comparison is done between two persons. So it is comparative degree. And superlative degree, we use the superlative degree of an adjective when we are comparing more than two persons or things, or more than two group of person or things. Like Mr. Gupta is the richest of all my friends. Comparison of more than two person. And Mumbai is the biggest of all Indian cities. Comparison of more than two cities. So these are the formation of the comparative and superlative degree for adjective. Positive is given there. Great, greater, greatest. Poor, poorer, poorest. We have added er or est. For comparative we have added er, and for superlative we have added est. And adjective ending r. If adjective is ending with e, then we say brave, braver, bravest; large, larger, largest. You can see here. If adjective is ending with y, then we say ier, easy. We will remove y from there and we will add ier, easier, easiest. We will remove y from superlative degree and add iest, easy, easier, easiest. Positive degree, easy; comparative, easier; and superlative, easiest. Like happy, y is there, so we will remove y from happy and we will write ier for comparative degree, happier; and for happiest, for superlative degree, we will add iest, happiest, happy, happier, happiest. Okay, like this you will have to learn these words of adjectives, degrees of adjectives. Now here are some exercise. Look at this exercise. Fill in the blanks with older than, the older, as old, as young, or as youngest. As is used when we are comparing. Raghav is the youngest boy in the class. The youngest boy in the class. Gaurav is as old as Madhav. It is positive degree. Okay, when as is used there, then we use positive degree. As old as Madhav. Kishan is older than Javed. Madhav is younger than Kishan and the youngest boy in the class is Rahul. The is there, so it is superlative degree. Little, few, much and many. Both little and few convey the same idea, but little is an adjective of quantity and few is an adjective of number. Quantity, when we talk about the quantity, it is called adjective of quantity, and if we talk about number, then it is adjective of number. Little is used with uncountable and few is used with countables. A little oil, a little milk. Oil and milk are uncountable, which cannot be counted, that are countable nouns. A few players, a few bricks, these are countable nouns, so we use a few. Like this, much and many. Like little and few, much and many also convey the same idea, but much is adjective of quantity, whereas many is an adjective of number. So much water, much rice, it is uncountable noun. Water and rice are uncountable, so with water and rice and with uncountable nouns we use much. And many students, many candies, these are countable, so we will use many. Now look at this exercise, it is on page number 42. Do this exercise. I have much work to do. I have much work to do. Much is, work is uncountable, so we have used much here. Can you spare a little money? Third is, the child has already shown much progress. Mona has fewer friends than Ritu. We needed a few more people to complete the work. Like this, you will have to do the exercise K. It's on page number 43. Look at the exercise. My luggage is than yours. Luggage is compared with two person's luggage, so it is heavier. Heavier is the comparative degree. We will remove Y from there and add IER. It is heavier. She has many sincere friends. It is positive degree. The dog was as smart as his master. It is only also positive degree. This is the narrowest lane in the town. The is there, so it is superlative degree. His writing is much better than his sister's. Good, better, best. These are the comparative better and superlative best. So it is compared with the handwriting of his sister. So it is comparative degree. Did the principal make any announcement? Important announcement. It is positive degree. What was the important point under discussion? He has more friends than I have. Today is the hottest day of the season. The superlative degree. The essay is very bad. It is positive degree. This essay is worse than any one you wrote yesterday. Bad, worse, worst. Worse is comparative and worst is the superlative degree. This is the worst essay you have ever written. So like this you will have to do these degrees of comparison. If you are having any doubt, any confusion, you may ask. That's all for today. Thank you.